Lions Pride Need Pantry is available to students who may need some help with food. We know that 1 in 3 students experience food insecurity, and we know that it's hard to focus and concentrate if you're hungry. And so with the help of the Student Government Association and Dr. Teresa Riley, we were able to create the Lions Pride Need Pantry. We offer a lot more than just food. We offer students hygiene products, things like dishwashing liquid, clothing detergent, a variety of school supplies, and the like. The Lions Pride Pantry is open 3 times a week. We're open on Tuesdays from noon to 2 p.m. We're open on Wednesday from 4 to 6 p.m. And then we're also open on Friday from 11 to 1 p.m. Now, students, if they need items, even when the pantry is closed, they can always reach out to our University Police Department by calling 479-788-7140. And our University Police have been wonderful to help students get items that they might need. So we have lots of availability, lots of people who want to help serve our students. Food Pantry is located on the west side of the Recreation and Wellness Center, or the ROC. I always like to tell students that it's on the side that faces the Sebastian Commons. And so we're here to help students with anything they might need during their experience as a Lion.